off the Adams Canyon Waterfall. So we're headed back down from Adams Canyon Waterfall. We didn't make it. The kids were getting really tired and whiny about it, but that's okay. Like, I had a dad moment there that I had to stop and think and say, all right, we are probably 75% of the way. Do I force them to go the rest of the way, or do we just stop and turn around and go back? And, you know, I had to sit there and think for a minute and conclude that, hey, we just got to turn around. We don't want to make this into a bad experience for the kids. If the kids were done, we were done. We just got to turn around, head back, and try again another day. And that's all right. So anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. You know, not making it made me think, can you still have a successful hike even if you don't make it to the top? So that's what I've been pondering as we've been slowly making our way down. And I think for me, definitely you can, because it's not about the end destination, it's about the journey to get there. And, you know, bonding with the kids, having a good time, watching them just have fun in nature. What's going on, B?
I fell into the water.
So I gave up my shirt so B could have a dry shirt. And oh, hey, no, leave that on. Leave that on. You gotta leave that on, buddy, just because you got a little wet. You want to ride in the backpack?
I do.
Come on, buddy, let's hop in. Will?
Yeah. We didn't make it to the ridge or the waterfall, but we did make it. What's the word for this? We did make it far enough